Yes, that I'm saying.
Yes,
This would be a monotonous world if we all could think alike.
We love you.
It is sad.
We love you too.
Variety is the spice of life. None of us have the monopoly over brains and ideas. Therefore, we all have to be tolerant of the views and other persons.
That's enough. What do you want me to say?
Don't spit on the pavement.
I love the world.
Don't do anything.
I love the world.
Don't do anything on public which will cause embarrassment and unpleasantness to others. For example, don't split on the pavement. Don't do anything